Hello, my name is Bill Newell, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Sutro Biopharma. The next generation modality for attacking tumor cells would be to go after the creation of a better antibody-drug conjugate. The industry had been working on antibody-drug conjugates for about 20 years, and we thought we understood how to make a better antibody-drug conjugate than anyone else in the industry. We dedicated ourselves since then to the improvement of antibody-drug conjugates, and today we have 5 antibody-drug conjugates in clinical development.
I have been so impressed with the talent and the science at this company, and I think we're really have an opportunity to change the landscape for patients and offer much better treatments in the future. Scientific innovation is so important because it allows us to deliver new hope and more benefit to patients, their families, and caregivers. The patients and the opportunity to help patients is at the core of why we do what we do here at Sutro. And I'm incredibly excited about the Sutro scientific platform and technology that enables us to make powerful medicines that have the potential to truly transform patient care and patient outcomes.
One of the major opportunities for such a disruptive platform is in the area of complex biologics, particularly in antibody-drug conjugates. This has been an emerging new molecular format over the last 10 years or so, and has really made a huge difference now with an increasing number of approvals coming through to the marketplace and meeting patients' needs in oncology, where the principle of an antibody-drug conjugate is really to take the idea of a toxic molecule that can kill a tumor cell and direct it very specifically to the tumor. This is a way not of killing the tumor directly, but of encouraging the immune system to go after the tumor, to sort of go and actually take that tumor out in the way the immune system is supposed to work.
A novel modality that Sutro has been working on for the last few years we call our IDC Platform. And this is an immunomodulating ADC molecule. Our immunostimulatory ADCs are similar to a regular ADC where we can target cancer drugs directly to an antibody to get that tumor targeting and specificity. But the IDC is able to conjugate 2 different drugs to a single antibody. This gives a lot of advantage because you can use the cytotoxic drug to directly kill the tumor, but our second drug component is an immune modulating drug. And this is really important because it will not only kill the tumor within the patient, but will also lend to activate the patient's natural immune response, which can protect against that cancer. Sutro is in a unique position to really enable this IEDC concept because we can have these dual conjugations on that single antibody. It's a very novel and innovative idea, and it's something that Sutro is really looking forward to progressing into the clinic.
We have now successfully filed and approved 5 INDs and made clinical material using our cell-free expression system. We have now initiated the tech transfer of our extract production process and our custom reagents, and will shortly be scaling up our cell-free system to be able to make significantly large quantities of antibody. We believe that the cell-free system not only provides us with the early ability to discover new modalities, but to be able to then move them along the way to both clinical manufacture and ease of commercialization of our antibody-drug conjugate products.
It's not an easy business trying to beat cancer, but we come to work every day energized with the notion that we will be able to do this and that we will make a difference in the lives of patients who are battling this disease. This is an important scientific mission. It's an important mission for humanity, and one that I am proud that our team has decided to tackle.